Welcome back, guys. Today is Saturday, so it's another video. I've been sick for 2 weeks, but I wasn't just staying at home. I was sending the block and the heads to the shop, so I just got it back and I wanted to show you guys how great it looks. It's really shiny. Just look at it. It's so smooth. And the head as well. So in today's video, we are going to continue working on the block. I'm going to remove the gasket. I'm gonna clean this surface, and I'm going to start putting back together the whole thing. So finally, I can put the whole engine back in a couple of weeks. So just follow me. And the time has come, ladies and gentlemen. The moment of truth is here. It took a long time, but the bodywork is finally done. And check out those gaps. I think they are damn perfect. What do you guys think? The engine bay still need to be washed, possibly painted too. Red or black, I'm not sure yet, because I want to paint the car red, but the hood and the top black. So I still don't know the right color for the engine bay. Put your thoughts in the comment section, red or black. Alright, now let's head back to the shop. I feel the urge to build that block. First thing I'm going to do is to clean the block. And once the block is clean, I'm going to start assembling from the bottom. Crankshaft, bearings, and all the way up. I ordered King Racing bearings for the journals and for the pistons too. This is what you're gonna get, and also the 2 truss washers, which goes right over here. Let's put some more lube on them. It's better if you're putting more lube than less at the end. We don't want to scratch anything.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror.
I managed to look up the numbers and the torque sequence, and here's the cheat sheet. So it goes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and it's gonna be 18 foot-pounds of torque.
My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name?
In the next step, we're gonna install the main rear seal. We're going to put some black RTV silicone instant gasket. That's what I bought, but you can use Permatex or other gasket makers. So we are going to put just a small film all over, even around the holes, and then we are going to put it on its place. All right, looks good. Make sure that the inner side doesn't turn out when you're pushing it in. All right. You can put in the bolts and just hand tight it and wait for like an hour. After an hour, you can torque to spec, because it needs at least 1 hour of curing time.
If you guys liked the video, please hit the like button. Now we continue working on the cylinder head in the next one. Stay tuned.